but this is like microneedling on steroids, and I love that for me. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, I am so happy to have you. For those of you that are new, my name is Nancy Diaz, and I post content mostly having to do with skincare and makeup for mature skin. So if that's something that interests you, I hope you will decide to join us. Today's video is one that I am super excited about, and I wanted to just give you a little backstory about myself for those of you that don't really know me. If you've watched any of my old skincare videos, or any of my videos really, you will know that I am a skincare fanatic, and you'll know that I also love devices. Just a disclaimer, this video will be using a product that was gifted to me to try out, and I consider myself very fortunate that I was actually included and that I was asked. So I treat everything at home, which is why for me, getting access to a device like this with treatments that go into the deeper layers of the skin, and because it's something that I've never tried before. I never tried microneedling before, but this is like microneedling on steroids, and I love that for me. And I feel like since COVID, everyone being locked up at home, a huge market opened up for devices that would normally only be available at a dermatologist's office or at a spa. A lot of them became available to use at home. And so I am not new to this. However, this product that we're talking about today, that particular treatment, I've never tried. I never bought a device. I never attempted to do microneedling at home. And I now get to do it by working with Qure. So, like I mentioned before, Qure was nice enough to send me their device. It is called Micro-Infusion. I've heard a lot about it on social media. Dr. Shah and Dr. Maxfield from Dr. Lee, that YouTube channel, so they've tried it as well, and it has their stamp of approval. I mean, these are well-known dermatologists, which is kind of interesting because that makes this video even more exciting. So here is the packaging that it comes with. I love that it says handle with care, beauty clinic inside. When you open it up, it comes with a beautiful headband over here, a white one, which comes in so handy. Over here is the actual device. These here are the serums, the 6 of them, and here are the disposable needles, and there should be one for each treatment. So the micro-infusion device has a 2-in-1 functionality. So on the one hand, when you stamp the skin, it creates a micro tear on the top layer of your skin while depositing the serum at the same time. And they offer 2 different types of serums. They have the Hydra-soothing serum, which helps hydrate. It helps deliver an intense hydration to the deeper layers of the skin. You know, it fills in the lines. It helps your skin be more plump and look more youthful. Then they have the Rejuvenating Serum, which is more for the anti-aging benefits of it. Again, it stimulates collagen production. It helps with dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which I personally have noticed since my menopause, that my dark spots have been really coming out and becoming more pronounced. They're getting bigger. So what used to be cute little freckles in my 20s and 30s has now become, you know, they've grouped together and they've taken up residency in my face and start to look like a map in my face. So it is so important for me. I'm always treating my hyperpigmentation, so it's good to know that the Rejuvenating Serum addresses that as well. So I'm gonna stop rambling on, and we're gonna take a look at the device and see exactly how it works. So what comes in this box is called the chamber. That's the actual device, and it's the little bottle. So you have the chamber, you remove the cover, and then you take one of the serum ampules, which is the little box here. You take one of these and you pour it over into the chamber. When you remove the cap, that's the little needles that you'll be able to see, and this is what you're gonna be using to stamp in your face. You twist off the chamber and then put it upside down for about 2 minutes. During that time, you can go ahead and wash your face, pat it dry, and you don't get to add any toner, serums, you don't add anything. You want to start with a nice clean canvas. You start off from the center moving outwards. It's recommended that you do an overlap of 50%, which means if you do a little circle here, instead of moving right next to it, you kind of overlap it by half of it. You do this every 2 weeks, and it is recommended for optimal results that you do an overpass of 2 to 3 times. If you have any serum left, you would take it out and apply it just with your hands on your face and neck. Each needle head is a single time use, so once you finish the treatment, that gets thrown out. You do this at night before bedtime so that the ingredients get a chance to really absorb at night while you sleep and while your cells are turning over. It is recommended that you avoid makeup and direct sun exposure for the next 24 hours. The more you use it, the more benefits you will see over time, of course, as with anything else. They also recommend that for the next couple of days you avoid any active ingredients such as AHAs, BHAs, retinols, vitamin C, in the form of toner, cleansers, moisturizers, serums. It doesn't matter. Try and avoid those things for the next 2 to 3 days post-treatment. After that, you can resume to your regular skincare routine. What's important to remember is that each needle head is to be used only once per treatment and then disposed of. Okay guys, so I'm back with a clean face. I have nothing on, no toner, nothing. I'm nervous. I've never done microneedling. Nervous but excited. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna hold a mirror in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so it's a prickly, you feel like a little prickling in your face, in your skin. Not painful at all. And it says that you shouldn't experience any irritation. Some people may for a day or so, but it should go away. But I think most people don't experience any irritation. It's a little bit more sensitive in the forehead, like you feel it a little bit more. But also because I have very dry skin, and right now, since I don't have moisturizer or anything on it, it feels really tight. So for me, yeah, it feels a little bit more uncomfortable because of that. Okay, that's one side. And still, we have a lot of serum left. You can see a little bit of redness, right, which is normal because you're causing a tiny tear on the skin, which is what it's supposed to be doing. There's still a little bit of serum left, So I'm gonna do a second pass and then we'll see how it goes. You can see that with the second pass, I'm starting to experience a little bit more redness, which again is normal. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there, and the little bit that's left, I'm gonna apply it. Right, so making sure my hands are super clean, right? Whatever's left, I'm gonna pour it out, and we're gonna apply it directly on the skin. Oh, that feels nice, actually. It's very soothing. All right, and then you go to sleep, and that's it. You do this every 2 weeks, this facial. Easy, doesn't require that much time, from the comfort of your own home. Instead of having to go to the dermatologist for a fraction of a cost, you get the same results. It doesn't get better than that, right? Okay guys, and that completes the facial. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you're encouraged to use devices from home and do what you can. You don't always necessarily have to rely on outside use. Like I've never, like I said, been to a dermatologist. I got a facial once, like when I was in my 20s. Everything that I do with my skin, I do at home. Skincare, I have a really well-rounded skincare routine addressing all of my needs. And I'm so excited to add micro-infusion to one of my tools that I will be incorporating in my skincare routine. They are nice enough to offer 10% off to my subscribers. I will put the link in the description box and the code on the screen if there is a code, but I'll be sure to put that down for you. Just know that if you choose to use the link, I will receive a small commission. So if you want to help support me and my channel, you can use the link, but if not, you can go directly to their website and order it from there. No pressure whatsoever. I am so excited to keep playing with this. It can only get so much better from here. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Be well. Bye.